yeah. 난 아직 미안해 remember the times 난 아직 집 앞에 서 있어 아직 기억이 나 It's bittersweet now 하루 지나가도 I ain't sleeping in now 미치도록 노력해도 can't explain how yeah 좀 더 타락할 같이 있을 때 I should've said it 말하고 미안하지만 난 이제 moving on and on 이제 삶도 지쳐 think it's time we move along yeah Baby lately I've been thinking about you Made me wanna try and undo Everything that hurt you bad and made you sad Sorry I was bitter
Kita nyo guys, Yeongdong na talaga tayo, no? This is our stop guys. Ayan yung bus stop ng 6015. Okay, going down now. We're going down now. Yes. And then, bigay natin tong ating baggage number. Hi. This one. This one. Thank you. And that's it, guys. We're now on our way. Yay! And that's it, guys. So this is the bus stop, no? Pakita ko lang guys. So this is the bus stop. And that's bus 6015. No? Yan yung routes. Pagbaba mo guys, ito na. This is Ibis Hotel. Right? So we're just gonna cross. Let's cross. Guys, ang bilis mo. Ayan na. Diba? Super lapit, guys. My gosh. Tapat na tapat yung Blue Elephant Yeongdong, guys. And Ramoa. Tapos, guys, ayan na. Avenue. Nandito na yung Lotte Department Store. OMG! So excited, guys. Guys, super excited ko. Actually, mainit pala siya, no? Pag ganitong oras, mainit siya. That's Ibis Hotel. This is our hotel. Tapos, bandaro na yung Yeongdong Street. Pasok muna tayo, guys, ha? Oh, welcome Ibis. What is this? Oh, may Wow Pass here. So, pwede tayo mag-exchange ng money. Diba? Exchange money here sa Wow Pass. But, let's go. Ibis. Sa 19th floor daw yung lobby. There you go. Nice. Ayan. Yay, guys! We made it to Yeongdong. So yan, papakita ko sa inyo guys, mag-hotel room tour tayo, pati mga facilities, amenities dito. I'll give you a lowdown of the full experience para maisip nyo kung worth it bang magstay dito. So yun guys, check-in muna tayo ha. And we're out. Whoops. Okay. So guys, this is the lobby. That's the restaurant. Okay, so ito na yung lobby. Check-in. Come on guys, let's check in first. So yun, mag-wait lang tayo guys. We're gonna check in lang. And then, after that, iwan na natin yung gamits. Hopefully, pwede na. Kasi 3 PM naman available na yung room. So hopefully, yeah. Hi, I'm checking in. Let me just passport. I'm not sure if I already paid. I booked the hotel via the Accor app.
Accor app? Yeah, not yet.
Yeah.
For
4 nights, that's correct. So guys, I booked via the app. There. This is where I booked. That's why I was able to get like a free night. It's part of the vouchers. We got a room number. This is our room number. I think I'm gonna check the view first at the lobby. So they have like a business counter here. I think you can like check your emails. Or yeah, it's a business center. And then guys, the view is wiggle wiggle yan. A land. Super nice guys. Sa gitna tayo ng Yeongdong. Ang ganda. Anyways, let's go to a room. I can't see Namsan Tower here. But where are the elevators to the rooms? Here. Okay. So it's the same elevator, just need to scan the key. So we're going down to the 12th floor. Baba muna tayo guys ha. Yung Accor Ibis kasi is an Accor hotel ano. So same chain as Fairmont, Raffles. Kaya ano siya guys, tawag dun. Sorry, wait lang ha. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya itatap. So, yung isang side pala, guys, walang ganyang matatapan. Ito naman meron dito sa kabilang side. Alam nyo, guys, walang mawawala kung magtanong. Mapapadali ang buhay natin pag nagtanong. Let's go. We're now here at the 12th. So, this is our floor. We're at room 1213, 1207 at 1207. Ayun, dun tayo. Going to the right. Ayan siya. 1208, 1216. Ayan. Para kasi talaga siyang yung mga Accor hotels ba. 11, maybe here. 12, 12, 12, 13. Corner room. We're at the corner room, guys. Let's go. And we're in. Lagay lang natin yung key here para magkailaw tayo. And let's pull our bag. Hirap pagka solo traveler, ano? So, ayan guys. Anyways, we're already inside. Let's do a room tour. So, this is room 1213. Yung susi natin, yung room key, nilagay na natin dyan para may ilaw tayo. So, emergency flashlight. Ayan yung lock ng door. Titikit ba to? Guys, madilim lang sa likod, but dumidikit. Dumidikit yung ano, may magnet kasi itong aking DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, dumidikit sa ano, sa pinto. Yay! Naka-vlog ako. Bakit lang ng lighting? But anyways, halika na. Mag-room tour na tayo. So, pagpasok guys, eto na siya. Maliit lang siya. I got a standard double bed. Tapos, meron siyang desk. Merong mga coffee, initan ng tubig. Tapos, andito yung safe. And then, andito naman yung lagayan ng clothes, yung closet. Meron tayong water. Pwede daw siyang i-refill every day. And then, tingnan natin yung bintana kung may view ha. Wala tayong view, but it's okay. Kailangan kong buksan yung bintana para maliwanag. Tapos, may maliit siya na couch. And then, eto na yung bed. Yung bed, sabi niya ay double. Pero, sa tingin ko ay queen ito. Asian queen size. So, yan. And then, dito, syempre may tissue. This is now yung pang-control ng aircon temperature. Ito naman ang toilet. So, ayan guys. Ito yung sink. Okay naman. Blow dryer, hair dryer. Hair, body, and face wash. Malinis, guys. And then, salamin. Tapos, guys, yung toilet ay Japanese toilet. No? That's nice. And then, eto na yung kanyang shower. Maliit lang yung shower area na. Pero kasya naman tayo dyan. No? Medyo may signs of aging na rin eh. Pero malinis siya guys ha. Ayan. So may kasama ng conditioner tsaka body wash. So wala ka nang kailangan bitbitin pa. It's very compact. Ibis kasi is a compact hotel eh. But yep. Everything you need nandyan na. And then merong mirror. Full body mirror. Para bago tayo lumabas sa umaga, makapag-OOTD muna tayo. And then dyan yung TV. Diba? So anyways guys, mag-alwas lang ako. Tapos kain na tayo. Gutom na ako, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Tapos yan, may extra pillow pag kailangan nyo guys. Mga hangers. And meron din silang tsinelas. Perfect. Yan. Ito yung ref niya. Pag may bibilhin tayo sa mga 7-Eleven. Alright, ayusin ko lang yung gamit ko guys para makapag-alwas na ako. Ready to go out na tayo. So, Ito yung mga facilities sa Ibis Ambassador Seoul Myeongdong. Check-in time is 3, check-out time is 12. Meron silang gym, meron ding hot bath sauna, meron ding laundry and iron room, meron din silang alam ko na microwave. And then yung dining, 6:30 to 10 a.m. Wala akong binili na breakfast na kasama dito sa room, but if I want, dahil ako or member ako, meron naman daw silang ibibigay na discounted rate. Sa room naman, there's free wifi, no password needed, and then merong isa na merong password. Mas pabilis daw yon if ever mas gusto ko na doon connect. And then yung room cleaning, it's everyday unless ayaw mo na magpa-touch ng room. There's free water everyday, 2 bottles yan, and then may express checkout kung walang vehicle na kasama. Syempre, wala naman tayong vehicle, di ba? Nakasama, kaya wala tayong parking na babayaran, so go na. Yun lang naman, guys. That's it. This is a non-smoking room. Mamaya tignan natin yung mga facilities para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura nila. So, yan yung binayaran natin sa hotel. Bali, nakakuha tayo dyan ng 1 free night. Guys, so bali, nag-stay tayo dito ng 4 nights. Ano? Yung first night natin is libre. Yung dalawang succeeding nights naman ay 50% off. At yung isang gabi ay in full. So, basically, ang total natin binayaran ay 488,308 won. Ang kinalta sa atin ni GCash ay 19,890 pesos for 4 nights.
If mag-RX kayo, magta-transfer kayo sa Hongdae, di ba? The green line, dito kayo bababa. So, baba, hanapin nyo yung exit 5 o kaya exit 6. Dito yon. And then, bago kayo mag-exit 5 and exit 6, you will see an elevator. So, kung may maleta kayo, good kayo. And then, wala naman, edi dito kayo. Exit 5 or exit 6. Now, this is exit 6. Paglabas nyo naman ng exit 6. So, eto na, diba? This is, ito siya. Ito kayo lalabas. So, dito lang. Tawid lang kayo. Sa harap nyo dito sa right side is Lotte Department Store. Ito. Lotte Department Store. Just cross. Yun lang. Itong side na to, for luggage, medyo paalog siya sa gulong. At konti lang naman yan. And then, ito na kayo. So, that Lotte Department Store. So, lakarin nyo lang. Makita nyo to the left side, you have Musinsa Standard. Musinsa. So, diretso lang kayo, guys. After crossing sa may Musinsa, makita nyo na yung Apple Store. Then, marami ditong bus stops, guys, ha. So, city buses also stop here. But I think what's important for you is the bus stop for the airport limo, bus 6015, and I'll show that to you. So, di ba, nagmusinsa, and then Apple, and then now, this is the next building. Ang meron naman dyan, Lululemon. So, there's Lululemon here, and then there's exit 19, sa Myeongdong Underground Shopping Center, and nandito na tayo sa Ibis Ambassador Myeongdong. There are 2 Ibis hotels in Myeongdong. One is Ibis Styles, and then this one is the Ambassador Myeongdong. So nakita niyo yung Rimowa. This is Rimowa. Ayan na yung airport limo bus stop. Bus 6015. Alright. And to the left is Ibis. This is Ibis. Ibis is right in front of Blue Elephant. Ito yung Rimowa. That's it. So guys, pakita ko naman sa inyo ngayon kung paano pumunta dun sa Coin Laundry. Kunwari mag-long stay kayo, kailangan nyo maglaba. Dito kayo sa 10th floor pupunta. 10th floor, tingnan lang natin. Ayan o, may sign na siya. Coin Laundry. This way. Coin Laundry and microwave. Let's go. So, may mga rooms din dito, guys, eh. Ayan, oh. Inside naman. I think it's somewhere here. La. Asan? Where is it? Ah, there you go, guys. That's it. Coin Laundry. So, dito. Yan o. Dito yung may vending machine ng detergents. Kung wala kayong dala. And then, ayan siya. Meron ditong 4 units. Dito na rin yung dryer. So, maglalagay lang kayo dyan ng 5,000 won coin. Then, eto na yung mga microwaves. Kung may nabili kayo, leftovers, kailangan yung reheat. Or may nabili kayo from 7-Eleven. Tapos, kailangan nyo rin ng microwave. Ayan naman, plancha. Let's go na, guys.
So yun guys, iniwan ko lang yung gamit ko. Tapos, baba na tayo to have lunch. Nisip ko, parang gusto kong mag-lunch sa Namdaemun, doon sa Galtijorem Alley. So, kung kumain doon eh. Let's go. Naligaw ako, guys. So, ito. Labas tayo ng Ibis Hotel. And then, lakad tayo papuntang Namdaemun Market. 700 meters siya, guys. But, I just wanna walk. Guys, sa ganda na locations, harap na harap ko yung Blue Elephant. Ito pa naman yung nakalagay sa ko, na mag-Blue Elephant ako. So, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung lapit niya sa Myeongdong, ha. So, lumabas lang ako, di ba? Nasa gitna rin siya ng Myeongdong Street, eh. Dito muna tayo sa isang side na to. Di ba, dun yung bus stop. So, ito, guys. Ayan, oh. Kita mo na. Money changer dyan. Paglabas mo, ito na yung sa mga Myeongdong Street sa gabi. Nandito tayo sa back alley. Pero paglabas mo, Myeongdong Street na yan. There. Ah. Ayun na yung Lotte, Lotte Young. Lotte Young. Let's go. Let's walk. Pag ganito palang oras, mainit siya. Nag-start pa lang mag-setup dito sa Myeongdong, guys. So, medyo may kainitan siya pag ganitong oras. Today, there's a forecast that the weather will reach up to 28 degrees. So, yun. Medyo mainit siya, but may breeze kasi. So, it doesn't feel too hot and humid. Okay siya. Wait lang tayo, guys. Punta tayo sa, sa Namdaemun. Let's go. Walk muna tayo, guys, ha?
언제나 내게 랄라랄랄랄랄라 노래가 되는 넌 선율이 돼 넌 리듬이 돼 모든 것이 다 내 귓가에서 자꾸만 맴돌던 멜로디가
Guys, mainit na. Like, super init around this time. And kasi sa palengke siya. So, it's not as windy or breezy. But it's super hot. Like, yung sun talaga nakaturok siya. So, mainit. I'm looking for the hotdog place na dito daw siya. Guys, may pila! But I will line up. Guys, I will line up for this. Ito siya. Pila tayo, ha? Guys, yan. Ito ako bibili ng hotdog. I turn. Guys, ito my turn. One vegetable. Wow. 감사합니다. Yay, guys! I'm so excited. So hot.
양념이 진짜
After the hot dog, guys, hanapin ko naman yung hair care alley, Galchi Jorim alley. Kasi yun naman na gusto kong kainin. Nung ko pa yung hinahanap, finally, mapupuntahan ko na din. Let's go! Guys, I'm now here in Namdimon. And I'm going to try Galchi Jorim. So, andito tayo sa restaurant na to. And it's a very local restaurant. And sa loob siya ng market, guys, ha. Sobrang loob na loob siya ng market. Tapos, wait lang, ha. Tapos yan, nag-order tayo ng Galchi Jorim. And then, meron tayong mga side dishes, yung toge. And then, of course, has to be kimchi. Sabi ko, wag masyadong spicy. Diba, hindi ko makain. And then, you can see me. I am so excited. Hindi ko pa naubos yung hotok na vegetables. Parang hotok with noodles, like japchae. So, super yummy. Super yummy siya, guys.
You got this. 다시 털고 일어나. 그게 너야. Oh, you're beautiful, you're amazing.
To be honest, guys, yung binili ko na ano to, hotok. It's too big. Malaki siya. Hindi ko siya kayang maubos. So, gusto ko talagang mag-save ng space for the Galchi Jorim. Kaya, hindi ko na siya mauubos. But masarap naman siya. Malaki lang talaga for one person. For sharing to eh. Ito yung pinuntahan ko dito, guys, ha. This one, Galchi Jorim. Goodness. This is Galchi Jorim. And then, wow. Guys, magra-rice ako. Wow, with egg. Okay, thank you. So, dun pala kinukuha yung spoon and fork. Okay, got it. There. And then chopsticks also here. There. Guys, look at the egg. It's piping hot. Oh, yes. Let's eat. Goodness. Been dreaming about this, guys. Wala akong picture. Guys, I have to take a picture of my first meal in Seoul. Wait lang, ha? Let's dig in, guys. Guys, look. Spicy, but it's good. It's good. Ito yung egg. It cuts the spiciness. Very good. Ang sarap ng sauce nito.
Guys, tapos na akong kumain. Baka isipin nyo, hindi ako nasarapan. Guys, masarap siya. Napakarami lang talaga for one person. Anyways, naubos ko naman yan. Yung isda, no, yung laman na nakuha ko. So, mga buto-buto na lang yung natira dyan.
Sobrang dami. Very generous.
Guys, ito nga pala yung restaurant. Hindi ko to matutunton kung hindi ako tinulungan ng isang manong dito sa palengke. Please, screenshot nyo na lang. Hats.
5,000 won na. Yung mga pajama. Ang ganda. Katuwa. Guys, sa Namdimon Market. Mga shirts. And caps. And bags.
어서오세요.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I show you pictures? My skin? Yeah, EGF, Mascarna, Tourajol, Villanova. Yes. Pharmacy. Mamaya, tignan natin guys, compare natin. Bawal kasi mag-video sa loob eh. But let's compare. Sobrang dami nila. Guys, sobrang dami dito.
Let's go there. We're gonna cross all the way dun sa may fountain. Pag ganun, guys. So let's just walk.
So you guys, babalik muna tayo sa room. I need to take a rest. It's been a long day. So guys, bumalik muna tayo sa hotel para magpahinga. Nafe-feel ko na yung pagod. 5:30 PM na. Nag-shopping tayo agad guys sa isang pharmacy dito sa Namdaemun Market. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo guys kung nasaan siya. I feel like sa Myeongdong kasi mas mahal yung mga pharmacy. So anyways, we got this EGF Pro Calm Active Vital Cream. This is for fine lines and wrinkles. I also got Acnon Cream. This is for my son. Nag-flare up yung acne niya. Kailangan niya ng mga ganitong klase ng creams to combat yung mga flare-ups ng acne. And then, Noscarna is also for my son dahil sa mga pimple marks, no, acne marks, para mag-lighten sila at tuluyan ng mawala. I also got Melanosa Cream. This is for me naman. This is for my hyperpigmentation and sunspots and age spots. And syempre, ang usong-usong Reduol. Guys, meron ako ditong Reduran. I don't like yung mga thick moisturizers or thick creams. Reduol is gel-like kasi sa consistency niya. Kaya dalawa agad yung binili ko na Reduol. That's all, guys. My pharmacy haul. Day 1. Tapos agad. So, nagpahinga lang tayo kanina from Namdaemun Market kasi parang bumagsak na talaga yung energy ko. Pagod na ako. Then, after natin makatulog ng konti, lumabas tayo. Punta tayo ng Musinsa Standard. Kasi guys, dito, ang hirap mag-vlog kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-vlog pag papasok ka sa store. So, hindi ako maka-vlog kahit yung pharmacy kanina, hindi ako makapag-video kasi bawal. So, yun. Dito naman sa gitna, ang hirap mamili. Mag-isa lang ako. Tapos nagvi-video, nagva-vlog, kumukuha ng pera, ganyan. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog, guys. Bumili ako ng odeng, original, at saka isang spicy. Dito lang sa gitna ng Myeongdong, 4,000 won yan. And then, naka-promo yung Coke Zero dito sa CU. Buy one, get one. So, yan yung binili ko. Ito, at saka, etong late night Galbi ay 4,100 won. Tapos, bumili tayo ng kamote. Kamote! So, yan guys. Ano ba ito? Alisin ko to. Kamote. Sweet potato. So, that's what we'll eat. And bumili tayo ng fruits. So, we got, ire-ref ko muna to guys habang kumakain tayo. I got Shine Muscat and strawberries guys. So, kakain na muna tayo at dito ko na tapusin yung vlog. Alisin ko lang to. Nakaka-distract. Usama na nila ako tomorrow at sa mga darating pang araw kung saan mag-iikot tayo dito sa Seoul. Harp. Grabe. Hindi na ako nakatiis, kumain na ako. Ngayon guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Sana may napulot naman kayong kahit papano na makakatulong sa inyong travels. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ang sarap naman ng fruits. Pero guys, mahal dito sa Myeongdong eh. Bukas hanap ako ng mas mura. Bilihan ng fruits. Baka dyan sa Namdaemun Market, mas mura. So yun guys, yun lang. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye! In my next vlog, guys, I'm gonna take you along with me to this cozy neighborhood na hindi overhyped in social media. That's the theme of this Seoul series, guys. If lahat ng napapanood nyo ay nasa Seongsu, sa Hongdae, or Iksundong, iniwasan ko yan sa travel na ito. I'll show you cozy neighborhoods that are not as hectic as those that are hyped in social media. This is perfect for first-time solo travelers to Seoul who just wanna take it slow and yet have a solid experience of the local vibe. Eto na guys, ang mga bago nyong pupuntahan sa Seoul, kaya please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!